Kung freelancer ka or virtual assistant and gusto mo nang mag-level up, or naghahanap ka pa lang ng niche, this video is for you. Let's talk about a tool that can literally change your freelancing journey, which is High Level or GHL. GHL or High Level is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform na ginagamit ng mga agencies, coaches, and service providers para i-manage ang lahat ng ginagawa nila sa business. From lead captures, automations, CRM, email marketing, websites, appointment booking, hanggang sa client comms. In short, lahat ng dating tools na hiwa-hiwalay is nandito na sa platform na ito. And that's what makes it powerful for businesses. Imagine businesses using different apps for their business. So may MailChimp sila for their email marketing. They have Zapier for automations, ClickFunnels or WordPress or ibang website platform for their funnels or website. Meron silang Calendly for booking. Meron silang ManyChat for messaging and automation dun sa mga comments and replies sa social media nila, or they use HubSpot for CRM. So imagine how many platforms you're paying for in a month para lang gumana yung business mo. But with GHL or High Level, lahat yan pwede mong gawin sa isang platform lang. Mas mura, mas simple, mas efficient. So let's break down what you can actually do inside High Level. Number one is you can build website and funnels, which is lahat ng businesses kailangan to showcase their business. You can build sales page, landing page, and membership pages in a drag and drop style. So hindi mo kailangan maging expert na coder dito because yung website builder nila is drag and drop. High Level also have CRM and pipelines where you can track leads, assign them to pipelines, and manage sales pages like HubSpot. The other good feature that HL have is automations, sending emails, texts, and reminders automatically. Imagine, hindi mo na kailangang mag-manual follow-up sa mga leads mo. You can also use this for email and SMS marketing. You can send broadcast emails, send campaigns, and manage template in one place. Plus, may booking system din. You can replace Calendly and directly sync it with your Google Calendar. It also offers reputation management where you can collect reviews from your clients. They also offer client portal and SaaS mode para naman dun sa mga agency yung gustong i-white label yung service nila. And if marunong ka mag-set up ng mga tools na yun for clients, you can charge premium rates. Kasi hindi lang VA skills yan. It's a tech system skill set na. As of 2024, meron ng 60,000 plus businesses across 140 countries ang gumagamit ng GHL. Over 500,000 active websites are built with GHL. And it was ranked number 4 in SaaS-worthy's fastest growing CRM platforms in Q1 of 2024. That means this is a legit company, trusted by big agencies, and continuously growing. And alam mo yung ibig sabihin nun? Mas maraming client ang maghahanap ng GHL skilled na freelancers and virtual assistants. So right now, may mga clients na naghahanap ng GHL setup specialist, funnel builders, CRM and automation specialist, client portal designers, and the rates for GHL skilled freelancers or VAs range from $8 to $25 an hour. Pero depende pa rin yung sa skills and complexity mo inside GHL plus kung paano mo i-negotiate yung pricing mo. So kung gusto mo mag-specialize sa isang high-value niche, this is one of the best directions that you can take in 2025. Kaya kung gusto mong matutunan kung paano gamitin ang GHL step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and surrounded by helpful community, join the High Level Accelerator Program by JC Tan and Dea Panganiban. Doors are already open until October 17 and makikita mo yung link in the comment section. Get ready to learn the tool that top agencies and coaches are using right now. Learn it once, use it for life, and I promise that this is the kind of skill na magbubukas ng maraming premium opportunities for you as a freelancer or VA. So, enroll now.